So hello from the other day. It's another sunny day and I had time to drive the car around of the city. I'm super happy with the result, not only with the view but also with the suspension performance. It's very comfortable. Now I came to buy a jack. Hopefully that one is going to be more stable and I will fit the spacers. Let's go. And I'm ready. I got this little plate with magnet. This is for changing the oil filter. This is 36. And the jack. The lowest position is 80 millimeters. This is just perfect for low cars. And it has also this additional part that I can just lift the top part. So this is perfect. I can't wait to go to garage, open my new toy and try it. Now I'm in the garage of a friend and there is this stunning car, BMW M6. We are gonna do a cold start. Okta is going to do it. I'm a little excited. Wow, it's really a one-of-a-kind experience. It sounds awesome. So I'm going to set the jack and put the spacers now. I've taken some photos to be able to compare with and without spacers. I will put the jack and let's see the result with the spacers. So I fit the first spacers. I got the longer bolts here. And let's fit the wheel. And the first wheel is done. This looks absolutely perfect. This wheel is stepping more out. It's just completing the view that I have expected. Let's go with the other one. And this side is done. This is absolutely looking perfect. Now I'll take some pictures so you'll be able to see the difference from the back side of the car. We are totally enjoying the sunny day. I'm here with some friends. This is BMW E92 M3. It looks stunning. And here's my car. The car is looking absolutely crazy. I really like how the wheels fit this car and how those rear wheels are stepping more outside. It's just perfect. It's just the perfect view. It's just perfect time, perfect weather. I don't know how good you can notice the spacers and the wheels, but the live view, it's just crazy. I really like it. BMW M3 E92. This is original BMW M3, not the ones with the M Technic package. Seats are nice. It has some carbon details, carbon fiber. Nice. It's really nice. Thank you for watching me. Please hit the button subscribe to support me, and there will be more videos of this BMW. Stay tuned. This is BMW M3 E29.